Okay, I'm gonna be ranking, and it is squishy. I'm going to be ranking it, and I have like 3 from 1 to 10. There's different squishies, but it's one balloon. I must go buy more like this. I'm going to go like no. After this video, I'm going to go buy me some squishies. And how cute! It's a D, and then you see that one on the side that's orange. It's like lilac, baby pink, and hot. This is like this is really relaxing. A 3 out of 5. You see that people, this is like potato. You see that people on TikTok, yeah, I think it's TikTok, like mm, it fell down. Let's put these things.